Hey, let me show you something really cool. This is my smartphone. I'm going to do this. Welcome to one of the best rugged smartphones of the year 2022. Okay, it's the new year and I know you really want to try something new and also exciting. But have you thought about having a smartphone that is as rugged as Brock Lesnar's F5?
Lesnar with another F5 on the top!
This is the all-new Umidigi Bison X10. It is a good budget rugged phone that you can decide to be watching every morning or even have your smartphone take its bath alongside with you every morning. Still nothing to worry about and nothing will happen to your smartphone. It is covered with a high quality synthetic rubber that is rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is water resistant and can stay underwater for more than 30 minutes. It is also drop and shock resistant. What else can this phone not resist? That's not all. This smartphone is also military certified that ensures the integrity and also durability of this phone in any condition. Feels like nothing will ever go wrong with this device. It comes in two options, the X10 and the X10 Pro. I have the basic variant that is powered by the MediaTek Helio P60. The Pro version comes with a higher CPU but same ruggedness. This phone costs 63,000 in Naira or $140 and you can successfully buy this phone from Banggood online store and have it shipped and delivered to you in a matter of days. I will include the link in this video description and also my free coupon code. Thanks to Banggood guys for sending this device. Banggood is an online store that offers you everything from different categories. So you can check it out after watching this video. I'll include a link in this video description. You can also download the app from your mobile app store or your Play Store. This phone packaging is standard. You don't get to see lots of accessories inside the box. You get the smartphone with specs labeled. Next you have the manual of the device, a charging brick and a USB-C cable, and that's it. No earphone or a SIM ejector pin. I guess you don't need all of this in a rugged smartphone. The build is very solid despite its weight of 282 grams. It is really a heavy phone due to the big battery behind and also the build quality to be able to withstand any condition. The design is modern. You have a high quality AG-made finished fiberglass on the back of the device, a solid metal frame with rubber cushion that sucks the impact when the phone falls off from your hand. You also have the triple camera combination, the flashlight and the infrared thermometer. Next to the camera bomb you have three small points. One is the extra microphone, the next is the barometer and the other is the pressure relief hole, and then you have the Bison logo and the speaker grill. Underneath the device you get the USB-C port for charging and connectivity and the microphone that cancels noise. On the right side you have the underwater camera button. You can also customize it. You also have the metallic coating that gives the device a premium look. The power button that is also the fingerprint unlock and the volume up and down rocker. On the left side you don't need a pin to eject the SIM tray. You pinch it out and insert your nano SIM and the micro SD card. And then you also have another orange customizable button. This phone comes in different color options and I have a supersonic yellow which I find very attractive and also appealing. On the top of the phone you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, but there is no included earphone. On the front you have a 6.53-inch HD Plus screen with very thin bezels on the sides. It is IPS panel with the dot notch for the selfie camera. The display is not bad but not also in the best in this category, but it is colorful and big enough to consume media content. You have a ratio of 20:9 and a resolution of 720 by 16 pixels. You can watch YouTube videos at the max 1080p resolution, either at 60 or 30 frames, with sharp colors and wide viewing angles. I also love the smooth response to touches. It refreshes at 60 Hz with no lags. Whether you're surfing the web or browsing through the social media, the response is fairly decent. Thanks to my G72 graphic chip here, you get good renderings when gaming with this big display. You have 4 gigs of RAM here and a 64 gigs of internal storage. When it comes to the performance of this phone, however, the Helio P60 processor here is old, but it is also excellent and decent enough to carry out your daily task. It is fast and also effective. It is ad-free and you can open multiple apps with no sign of dragging or slowing down the phone. It is also a good gaming processor, but that depends on the type of game and its requirements. And you have the Android version 11 and a battery capacity of 6150 mAh that supports 10 watts fast charging. On a normal usage, the temperature is okay, but when gaming for a longer period or carrying out a heavy task, the temperature slightly increases, but thanks to the cooling system for dispersing the heat. You have a side-mounted fingerprint that responds fairly well. It is okay and fast in unlocking the device. Not really the fastest in this category, but it is okay. And also the sound quality. What do you think? The volume is a bit high, but it lacks bass. But it's okay, especially if you're gaming or watching high quality movies. Apart from the ruggedness of this phone, and of course the battery, which is also a key feature, the main point is the camera. And you have a 20 megapixel main camera lens here on this device that captures very good and detailed images in daylight. And then an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera lens with a 120 degree and a 5 megapixel macro lens. So what you are seeing are images taken with this phone. What do you think? Okay guys, so this is what it feels shooting a video with the 20 megapixel rear camera of this device. I'm currently shooting 1080p at 30 frames per second. Okay guys, so this is what it feels like. This is what it looks like shooting a video with the front facing camera of this device. It is an 8 megapixel. I'm currently shooting 1080p at 30 frames. Ideally, a 16 megapixel would have been, okay here, but it is what it is. So guys, what do you think of the picture quality and of course the sound that is coming out from this device? Please let me know what you think in the comment. So guys, if you ask me if this device is worth buying or do I recommend this smartphone, my answer is definitely yes. That is if you're in the market to buy a rugged phone. It comes with good loaded features and the price to performance ratio is on point. Although the CPU may not really be a good deal breaker for some people at this price point, but it handles your daily task without hiccups. At 63,000 Naira or $140, it's a good buy. Please share with me what you think in the comments below. And if you'd love to see a durability test of this smartphone, please drop a comment below. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please on your way out, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn the bell icon for notifications. Till I see you in the next one, Kelechiosonwaoka. Peace.